the courage to tell the insurance companies and the drug companies that we are going to guarantee health care to all people? Do we have the courage to tell Wall Street that we are going to break up the large financial institutions? Do we have the courage to tell the fossil fuel industry we are going to transform our energy system? You know, when I think about Flint and what's happening there, and people say, well, you know how much money it will cost to rebuild Flint? That's expensive. But somehow, when we talk about rebuilding Flint, Michigan, very expensive. But when we went to war in Iraq, the trillions we spent there